Oh, oh, hey guys. So today, oh, hold up. Let me just finish this. Yeah, she needs her eyebrows. Like, I'm here finishing my masterpiece, and I totally forgot to add eyebrows. So let me just do that. There we go. And now we've done it. As you can see, not only am I hacking, but I can draw, I can paint like a master. Okay, but seriously, today, this episode, we won't be. I'm actually not a master painter. I'm actually very a very amateur drawer. The best I can do is like a stick man. So today will be, you know, we're going to master how to draw from zero to hero. You have to figure out what you want to draw or what I want to draw, right? What do we want to draw? I think I think that's definitely gonna be it. I, I think we're gonna draw some anime, very mainstream now. Everybody loves anime. We love anime. We're a bit weebish in the end. Who cares? Let's see. How to draw anime. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Last time, Skillshare. Yeah, Skillshare. Mm-hmm. Wiki how to draw, how to draw, how to draw. What? Fine. Wiki how. You kinda didn't work last time, but I think this is gonna work out this time. So draw a grid, draw some eyes, draw the mouth. Okay. Um, what's the difference between these two? Oh, dang, I forgot. They have ears. Anime characters have ears, right? Obviously, the hair. Would it be anime without hair? Unless you're One Punch Man. Saitama. Okay. Okay. The body. You gotta draw a stick man, and then you do it. Then you add a face, and then you get it. All right. All right. I see. I see. I see. Easy. So, I think we should take a reference and do this. I think so. Let's see. Popular. No, no, no. Who's the best character to draw? Hmm. What an obvious answer to this. The obvious answer would totally be. Okay, so the obvious answer to that would obviously be Rimuru. The slime anime dude. Wait, is he even a dude anymore? Who cares? Let's go. Rimuru. Tempest. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. I see, I see, I see. That is so easy to draw. Anyone could draw that, my dude. Let's get this out. See? We have this reference now. We're gonna draw Rimuru. Easy. So, as the WikiHow showed us, we gotta draw the skeleton, you know? So we have this paintbrush, we do this. Mm-hmm. 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 Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. And he's doing like a pose like this. Yep. It's so easy. What? Anyone could become a master at this, man. What am I even doing? I don't even need to practice. So easy. Look at that. Okay, and then you have to draw the face. Obviously. Oh yeah, you have to draw the grid, right? The grid. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. 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 And then yes, the hair. The hair. There we go. There we go. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yo! Oh my god. I can see it. I can see it taking shape. I can see its form. Truly. Oh, okay. We need some blue now. Since we're done that, we can use blue. Yep, yep, yep. Uh-huh. 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 Got that down. Almost done. The arms. Yeah. Draw the torso. Without the torso, I don't think anyone could live. Because you would have no heart. Heartless beings in this world without a torso. Oh my god, saying. Okay, here we go. Done that, right? We draw the body, as said on the WikiHow page. Now, the pants. The lower body. There we go. There's not enough legs for the boots. Who cares about feet though? There we go. As always, we have our friendly tool over here. Fill that in. Yep, yep. That's a mistake. That should not happen. There's a gap in between. Yep, yep. And there we go. Gotta fill this in with blue, but first let me fill out the edges. The brush. Yes, I know it sucks. I have Windows, whatever this is, paint. I want the Windows 7 paint, you know? Like, who cares about this future update? It sucks. Yeah, gotta draw the hands. Yeah, huh? Look at that. Take a fist. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Take a fist. There we go. Very, very good. I really like how this is formed up. And now, fill it in. Oh, shoot. Yep, yep. Oh, come on! Just fill it! Yeah, that should be good. No more leaks occurring. Like the ocean, you know? Now it's more like a lake. And we'll add some detail. Look this. They didn't even tell us how to shade, but I'll shade it in. Oh shoot. This is it. 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 We're done. We're done. We're done now. We're almost finished. And of course the face. Here we go. Yellow eyes. And skin, yeah. Easy enough. Easy enough, yep. Looking good, looking good. Smiley face. Look, I'll use some more precision here. Use this calligraphy pen. Alright, alright. What's this? Now you can't forget the eyebrows. You know, eyelashes too, why not? Uh-huh. You know, I learned this from drawing Mona Lisa. See? As you can tell, I have experience already. Uh-huh. Looking good, looking good. You can fill it in with the blue. Very nice. Very nice. And you can't forget the extra. So a circle. Yup. Fill it in. go with a strong color. Then brush it out with the lightest blue. Well, I mean, semi light blue. Yeah. And the eyes. Looking good, amazing. See, so easy to draw anime. As you can see, we have completely finished drawing Rimuru in all of his glory, perfection. Now you guys too can become anime drawers, animators, mangaka, do anything you want now. Just follow these easy steps and you'll be a master in no time. Okay, now you just gotta polish up just a bit, you know. You gotta clean up the canvas a bit, yeah. And you gotta erase just a few pieces, like there, right here. Erase a bit of your blemishes that you make throughout the art. Erase the blemishes. There we go. And the blemishes are gone. So you just gotta finish up, polish up, and you're done with your Rimuru. Completion, mastered, perfection. All of the above, you know. Just follow these simple steps on how to become the best mangaka and animator in the world. You know, so easy.